so loud.
It's still about 4 stories high.
It's like it's a police station. It's not a police station.
Well, I don't know what you got of the sound of that, but that was loud. That was loud. Oh, okay. Our live stream at church has a delayed broadcast of about 30 seconds. Church had to think about 5 seconds, but yeah. But you know, it's down. It's down. Although someone said it's still about 4 stories of it there. But, it's hard to see from this angle because we've got trees in between, but the trees are deciduous at the moment. But it definitely fell sideways. Yeah, well, hopefully it's not as best discussed.
There's a big gap.
Yeah. All right. We'll catch you later in the evening on Facebook and that. Okay. 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 Bye.
There's a lot sitting up. Oh, yeah, no, it's still. Yeah. There wasn't a lot of explosive on sort of the northern part of the building. So what they wanted to basically topple the southern part and then they just pull the rest of it away from the idea. They said the worst case.
Well, they've got to go all charges wrong. Otherwise, they're going
south. Towards the house there, yeah. It's the worst case scenario is that they may have some different on one-way street, but it looks like there's none. But there's a lot.
Yeah,
the explosions are really strong. We were sitting here, I don't know, we really feel it on your chest. Yeah, we're just over the bridge. No, we're just over the bridge and we're on the right side because the other side is they got all the dust. I can only see down to about the council building. I can't see down where the looking down where the down the one way on the other side. I can't see down because there's too much dust. It's just all floating out across this park. Too big a dump. The dust is already, it just came up straight away. So, no, that's why we came over this side. We didn't want to be on that side because we knew this was the northwest of the flight. So it was just blowing that way. Cool, okay. No, he was watching online.
Yeah. That was so much louder than the other ones.
You really feel that one out. John said from the drone, there's no